Hi all, how are you? Here I am to help the teachers who are doing online classes, and the main problem they face is how to check the answer sheet of any test or examination sent by the students in PDF format. There are a lot of methods, and one method is use PDF reader, but it is difficult for many teachers. If you search on Play Store, you can see a lot of softwares to edit PDF, example PDF Creator, PDF Writer, PDF Reader, Adobe Reader Premiere, like that. But it is difficult to use. Okay, I will explain the simple way of checking the PDF file sent by the students with the help of a software. So let us start. Okay. For downloading the software, click on Google or Google Chrome and type Microsoft Edge for Windows 7. If you are using Windows 7, it is available for Windows 10 also. Okay, and click on that. See, there you got download new Microsoft Edge browser. It is by Microsoft. Then download it. Okay. See the icon of Microsoft Edge here. It is different from Google Chrome. Okay, it is not Google Edge, it is Microsoft Edge. And I'm going to check one paper. It is I saved in this PC E drive. I'm opening my class test folder. It is in 12th class. I'm checking one copy of a student, and it is in E drive, Arun's Academics. There you can see class test. Then I'm just showing a format, 12th class, class test 2. I'm opening one of the PDF file. See, don't open directly in PDF reader. Okay, so what to do? So whatever file or a PDF sheet you have to check. On that file, click right button. Okay. Then from the dropout menu, you can see open with. So, and when you keep cursor on the open with, you will get different options. And if you have already downloaded Microsoft Edge, you can see that also, and click on Microsoft Edge. So when you click on Microsoft Edge, the concerned page will open in the Microsoft Edge. Okay, not in the PDF reader. So click on Microsoft Edge. Let us see. So the page I opened is opened in Microsoft Edge. Okay, not in PDF reader. Then you can see in menu bar different icons: minimize, increase, rotate, enlarge, read loud, draw, erase, print, save, and pin. Okay, so first I have to check these answers. Okay, so what to do? See, click on the draw. There you can see right side and drop arrow. Just click on that, and you can see colors. So normally we check with the red ink. Okay, so red color I am selecting, and if you want, you can increase the size of the nib or tip of the pen. See, by dragging the thickness button. Okay, see, but normally we use a pen shape nib, so I think it is okay. Then come to the page. See the first answer. It is correct. So I'm giving tick mark. See, just like a pen, I'm using the cursor. Okay, with the help of mouse, I'm putting tick mark, and I'm writing the mark. Okay, it is of 3 marks, so I'm giving here 3. And like that, I'm checking second question. So suppose some works. So suppose if any mistake is there, you can mark. Okay, it is suppose it is wrong or something, or like this. And if you have done some mistake, you cannot delete. Okay, by delete button. So what to do? Click on erase. See, on the top you can see erase icon, click on that and select erase and click on what correction you need. Okay, click on that what correction you need. Don't click delete button, so it won't work. Okay, understood how to remove any mistake if you have done. Okay, or if you want any correction on the checked paper, you can do with erase. Then again select draw. I already selected color and all, so no need of selecting again. And this I am checking. Okay, it is correct. By mistake I earlier gave wrong. Okay, so it's correct. Then if you want to write something, okay, so if you want more steps, write that. Write a step, more step like that, whatever. Just like a pen, you can write step. Suppose fourth step is missing, so write fourth step like that. If you want, you can give any comment. Okay, this was correct. This was 2 marks. Write like this with the mouse. And suppose my checking over. So this is the last question. It is of 6 marks. I gave 6 marks. Then what to do? Normally total. So 6 plus 2 plus or watermark is given, and the total you got, suppose out of 20, this concerned student got suppose 18. So I am writing wherever you want. Normally you write on the top. So the total of the marks out of 20, the student scored 18 marks. So 18 out of 20. See with the pen. Okay. How we do? Same with the mouse I am doing. Okay. 18 out of 20. Then this is to be saved. No? Okay. So on the top right, just before pin button, you can see save. Okay. Then click on the save. And destination you select. Okay, normally I select in the same folder. It's drive E, then Arun's Academy 2021 class test. There only I am selecting, and if a name file name already given, you can select that. Otherwise, you can give proper file name. Okay, so type the file name. Suppose student1. So you can give a student name. Okay, but it was of somebody's, and I am not picking again it. So write the file name for that. Okay, then click on save. Saved. And how to open this? Yes, you can see 18 out of 20. So I am closing this window. Then how to check the saved one? Open the same folder. This PC. E drive I am opening. Okay, E drive. Arun's Academic 2021, and it is in class tester. See student1, it is here, student1. See the page opening. See the checked page. Okay, 18 out of 20. So you can share this file to the students in the WhatsApp or whatever media you use. Okay, so I think you understood how to check your answer sheet of the students with the help of Microsoft Edge. Okay, very simple. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.